Hi, this is Sugar Lips 648, and I'm gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, where I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. Now that you've gone, must be waiting for ya. Even now when it's already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, where I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. Oh.